What is it costing you right now that you still haven't reached your weight loss goal? What is it costing you? More important than how much it's costing you, what would it be worth? Hey, I'm Tim Ernst, your intermittent keto fasting coach to getting you in the best shape fast. And I just want to welcome you to Find Your Why Wednesday. But instead of talking about your why you want to lose weight, because we kind of talk about that on Wednesdays, I want to talk about the what. What would it be worth to you right now to finally have the perfect body when you look at yourself in the mirror? What would it be worth? What would it be worth to you to finally get back into those jeans, that favorite dress that's been hanging in your closet for months, maybe even years? What would it be worth to you to never feel embarrassed being in a photo with your family and friends? Because I've had people tell me that. They're too afraid to be even in photos or they're embarrassed. What would it be worth to you to feel more confident in your own skin? What would you say that'd be worth? $1 million? Well, they don't call it $1 million body for nothing. But realistically, no average person is gonna pay $1 million to get that kind of body, right? So what happens? Desperate people resort to getting surgery and pay thousands and thousands of dollars. Heck, I've had past students tell me over the phone before they signed up with me that they had gastric bypass surgery only to gain the weight back months later. I've heard these stories all the time. If you were to get a doctor to sculpt your body into a much better you, you'd easily pay, I don't know, 10, 15, 20,000 bucks. And after the doctor was done, and after all the weeks of painful healing, you would still have to get your food right. Surgery never gets to the root of the problem. If you were to get a personal trainer just like me to train you every day, you would pay around 75 bucks per session. If you work out just 3 times a week for just 6 months, that would cost you more than $5,800. And unless that trainer was using my intermittent keto fasting eating strategy, you would still not get the results you were looking for. Maybe you can find that body with one of those low-calorie diets, detox cleanses, or another fad diet that's here today and gone tomorrow. I've seen so many of them. But haven't you tried that already? Isn't that insanity the reason you've been following me and watching my videos and Instagram and all those posts and everything? Take, for example, Bobby. Okay, before Bobby met me, he was at a staggering 420 pounds. He tried diet after diet, trainer after trainer, and after so many failed attempts to lose weight, he gave up and fell at an all-time low in his life. So he decided to get surgery. And after that surgery, he got down to 225 pounds. So he did lose the weight. However, the surgery didn't fix the root of his problem. Like so many people who undergo surgery do, he gained the weight back. You know how much he gained? 100 pounds back. After researching online for a solution to lose the weight again, Bobby found me and started applying my intermittent keto fasting eating techniques. In just a few short months, Bobby dropped 64 pounds. And that was all because he realized, not his why is important, he realized his what. He had a vision, he was imagining himself. Bobby's goal now is to live long, healthy lifestyle. He wants to be able to do things in his 30s, his 40s, and 50s from now, to live a healthy life for his wife, for himself, for his family. He's slowly getting the body he's always dreamed and wanted. More important than that, he wants to be a beacon of hope and inspiration to other people with purpose. So what about you? What about you? What's your what? Need more help? Are you struggling to lose weight and want to lose at the very least 10 to 20 pounds in 30 days just to kind of give you that little push, that little kickstart? If so, I'm looking for 10 committed men or women who are sick and tired of yo-yo dieting, that have failed them in the past, want to look and feel more confident in their own skin without having to spend hours in the gym cooking these bland and boring meals and all these fad diets that you've tried in the past and the drudgery of counting calories. If that's you, send me a private message using the secret word coaching for more info. All right? Now is the time to make the change. Make the decision right now, because if you keep waiting, your motivation is going to go down. The longer you wait, your motivation is going to go like this, and your current situation is going to get worse. I'm telling you, it's going to get worse. You got to do something before it does. So don't wait. Send me a DM. Have an amazing Wednesday and the rest of your week.